Hey there, and welcome to another OnSign TV Academy video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create interactivity, touchscreen interactivity on your players. So let's say that you have a tablet and you want to create an interactivity which happens whenever a person touches one region of the screen. It triggers something on that screen. It could be a different a different campaign, or it could be replacing one area of the campaign with a different content, an image, a video, or an application. So for this example, I have this campaign already published on my screen. So it has this weather app here in the bottom. And what I want to do is whenever someone touches this area, it replaces this main image here with a weather application that shows weather information for all the days of the week. So let's go back to the platform here. And what I want to do now is right click my campaign. And I want to go here in interactivity. So it's going to open this page for us. And what I want to do now is click here in add interaction. Keep it touch region. Here on which one I want to select region 2. On action, I could be selecting play and then choose a different campaign to be played whenever the person touches that region, or I could be selecting replace in order to replace one region with a different media. So I want to keep it replace, and the region I want to replace is the region 1, which is the main one. When playing any media with the medium, and then I select here in change and choose whatever media I want to play back on that area. In this case, I'm going to be selecting this application here that shows the weather info for all the days of the week. So after that, I just click here in this check icon. I'm going to delete this first one as we're not going to be needing it. And I want to click here in save. All right, now our interactivity is saved. We just have to wait for a couple minutes so it can synchronize with the player. And after a couple minutes, I could try it out here. So when I click in this area, it triggers the weather application displaying information for the days of the week. Okay, so this is how we create interactivity to replace one area with a different content. The other thing I could be doing, as I mentioned, is I could select here add interaction, touch region, and when the person touches the region 1, which is the main one, I want to play a different campaign. So I'm simply going to select this other campaign I want to play back whenever the person touches that region. And I can click here in confirm and save. Again, just wait a couple of minutes so we could have it synchronized. All right, so now it's synchronized. We could try it out. So let's just go here, clicking on the main area. It triggers the other campaign as I mentioned. So the first time it plays back, it takes a little bit longer to be playing back the content, but this is how you can create interactivity on touch region to trigger a different campaign. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be showing you all the types of interactivity.